Hi, I'm Suzie Kellett. What got me to yoga was the benefits of my own mental health. I came from a policing background and I was diagnosed with PTSD in 2013. I'd been practicing yoga for a couple of years up until that point, and I found that it had a magic to it that worked really, really well in conjunction with medical therapeutic offerings out there. And I also had, at the same time, always a passion in relation to taking good care of the physical body, the human body. And so I have a background in personal training, massage therapy, rehab training, and I'm also a yoga therapist as well. My passion in teaching students and other teachers is to share the knowledge that I've gained over the many years from my own life experience and my educational aspect in relation to mindfulness and anatomy. See you at Flex Hot Yoga at Norman Park. Namaste.